Folks, welcome again to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. Today I've got some exciting new product review. The sponsor of this video is Jawa. Jawa has been a great sponsor for this channel for the last 3 years. It's a company I partner with for all Tesla accessories. They even make amazing products for non-Tesla vehicles, and today I'm demoing some of those products. But to get you started here with, I'm reviewing a bunch of boxes here sent by Jawa, all on my right. Let's get right into the video. Starting off with my favorite package here. And this can work with any vehicle, so you don't have to own a Tesla to use this product. Also, I want to say that Jawa is giving a generous discounts of any of these products here you like on this video. You can actually use my coupon code. It's going to be linked in the description, and you get a fantastic discount on all these products here that I'm demoing, but also everything that's in the Jawa store. This is a fantastic discount. Take advantage of it. Also, I'm giving away these products here on my desk to a subscriber or someone that comment in the comment section there. Randomly selected. I'll be announcing that winner on one of the next video. So make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment below. And if you are in love of Tesla vehicles, you will love this accessory. This is also really good for any use case at home. If you have any dark cupboards or areas in your home, you can use this product. Starting off with this holder. So this is actually a holder that you can use to mount a light. So this holder base here, it does have the logo there, Jawa. And it has the little groove here where you can insert the light. Let me show you what the light looks like. I have it here charging. So this is the Jawa light. It's motion activated. It also, what's really cool, it also have a magnetic charger. On the magnetic charger, I actually have everything plugged in here. I just want to show you. The magnetic charger allows this light to be recharged, and it's really cool. You don't have to look for the cable. It uses a strong magnetic charger to recharge a light. But this light has 3 settings. You do have the setting here for off, on, and motion activated. So this is the on option. This is the motion activated option. This is the off option. This is really nice light that you can put in any part of your vehicle. So reason why this holder is unique. And I do like the accent on it. It's like a wood veneer accent. And what I like about it is that it has this motion activation. You can just set it on here, and any part of your car or home that you want to put this product, because it is motion activated, you can place this anywhere that's dark and you need access to, like a glove box or any sort of like a trunk. This would be a really good use case for your trunk. It's a Velcro at the back, so you just Velcro this onto your any part of your vehicle, and you have light wherever you go. So highly recommend. My favorite product is this light here, just because it's such an easy versatile product that you can put anywhere in your vehicle. And this is like I said, you can use my coupon code that I'm providing you on this video to get the discount on this product. Really high quality light, and that gets me so excited every time. They also include the magnetic charging cable as part of the package. So you do want to get the holder separate and the light separate, and you will get the magnetic charging cable. Let's put that aside for now. We have some other exciting product here from Jawa. And like I said, I'm giving away, I have some extra boxes here. I'm giving away these here, so make sure you subscribe and watch this video to the end to get one of these here inside your hand for free. You don't have to purchase it. Some other exciting product that I have here is all of these here. These are all air fresheners for your vehicle. Jawa makes some amazing high quality air freshener, and they have some really fancy name. This one here is called the Refreshing Grove. This is called the Morning Dew. This is called the other ones I have here. This is called the Forest Breeze, and then we have Dance with Elegance, my favorite scent. And I want to show you how high quality these air fresheners are. I amazing packaging by Jawa. It does make it really difficult to get into the boxes, but let me show you how these are set up when you can install in your vehicle. Like I said, these products are not just Tesla only product. You can use this for really any vehicle as long as the vehicle has vent. This is the actual piece that you would place in your vehicle. Primarily you want to place this anywhere close to a vent. As you put it under the vent, it has these holes on it, or these open strip on it, and this allows the cologne or the fragrance to permeate from that vent. It's basically hollow in the middle. And Jawa, when you buy one of these here, you get 3 basically like a tube, and each one of these tube, I'm gonna open this here just to show you folks. Each one of these tube is already smelling amazing. You take the tube out and then you just insert it into the holder, and once you insert it into the holder, just close it off, and that's it. Just place this anywhere in your car, primarily where the vent is. You can place it at a non-vent location because it's fragrant. It just radiates through the car. It smells amazing. This is just a nice like refreshing smell. This is Dance with Elegance, Dance with Elegance, and can't describe it. I wish you can smell it, but it just instantly gives that awesome smell in your vehicle. It's like having cologne in your car. So highly recommend. Like I said, when you buy 1 box, you get 3 of the inserts included, and you only need 2 of these, maybe just 1, but they last forever. I think they last up to 60 days, which is awesome. And it's very minimalist. Doesn't I hate clutter in cars. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It's not very, it actually blends into your car, so it's very much invisible fragrance. So I definitely think you should give this a try. It's one of my favorite. I actually don't buy any other fragrance to the car but these Jawa fragrance, and they sent me a lot, so I will be giving away these here. But please check out these fragrance. It will change your life. Rather than buying those cheap gas station fragrance, invest in something that's more long-term, smells amazing, really good for the environment, and it's recyclable product. And this is just a nice stainless steel design. Please invest in something like this here. It'll last forever. But that is my second product from Jawa, and also one of my favorite fragrance that you will find. The next product is sort of big, so let's make some space on the desk here. The next product is sort of big. It takes up a lot of space, but it's a unique product in a sense that it allows you to fully provide shade in your car. So it comes in these boxes. It's 3 boxes. And this is something I'll set up in the car to show you, but I just want to show you up front what it looks like. It basically is shades that you can put inside your vehicle to get a complete darkness in your vehicle. So if you sleep a lot in your vehicle or you're doing a road trip, this will be something that's exciting to put in your vehicle. That you can buy it for different model. Right now this is for the Model Y. I think pre-refresh, which is like 2020, 2021. This actually is laser cut to the exact dimension of the windows in the car, and these are just going to clip on to the windows because it's like has a tension on it. It just fills the space of that window, and it gives you complete darkness in your car. So if you like to sleep in your car, this will be a pretty awesome package to get. They're very portable and easy to fold up. So if you want to, after using it, you just want to put it away, just take it like this here, drop inside the pouch, and you're good to go. And you can just leave this in your car wherever you go. It has the awesome logo there for Jawa. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up in the car and show you what the final product is. But highly recommend. You actually, when you buy this set, you get all the different windows. So it includes the trunk, includes the windshield, includes the back seat, basically all the windows. So this is awesome shading for you, especially if you have kids and stuff. You can use this inside your vehicle. Like I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll be giving away these on the channel. Once you subscribe, leave a comment, let me know. And one or two or three, depends how many extra boxes I have, I will give it away to the subscribers. So this is a really exciting product. I don't sleep in my car, but this is very much tempting me to sleep in the car, knowing that you have complete blackout in the car. So that is our third product from Jawa. Want to stress again, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, but also any of these products you want, and even more products available for Jawa. If you have the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, Model X, Jawa makes accessories for all the vehicles for Tesla, and some of these accessories can fit any other vehicle, so it really doesn't matter. But this is just custom made for the Model Y, and this gives you a really good shading for that vehicle. The next product I have here, it's also a big box, and this box here is my final product review for Jawa. To make some space here on the desk. This is something that Tesla sells directly at the Tesla store, but it's super expensive. I think it's like $80 to $100 for one of these, and Jawa is selling this their exact product, exact finish, and way cheaper than what Tesla will sell you. This is actually a storage holder. I do want to say that Jawa does provide these barcode. You scan the QR barcode and it tells you how to install it, and which one is for the left, which one's for the right. So that's very useful. I also want to say that this product here is one of the most exciting products because it gives you more storage in your vehicle. As you know, Tesla does have a huge trunk storage. I think something like 63 cubic feet of storage, but this is going to go directly where the little cutouts are for the trunk, and this is making that space into a bin, which is also a really nice place to store the air fresheners, the extra ones that you have. But let me show you what it looks like. This is, I believe, one of the covers that go on top of the bin. I just want to show you closely what the material is. This is black fabric, and you have this plastic piece here that covers the fabric, but the texture here feels exactly like a Tesla. It has this little hook here that you can easily open that cover and access what's inside. It's a nice way to tuck away all that stuff you keep in your car for cleaning or whatever you want to store in that little trunk storage. This will be really cool to hide that stuff away. And I just want to show you all the pieces here. So one of this is the left, one is the right, and these are the bins. And what's so exciting, let me make some space here. What's so exciting about these ones here is that the bins are extendable or expandable. So if you take one of this bin here, and it all folds down, so if you don't need it, you can collapse it and then tuck it away. But basically this is a silicone, so you don't have to worry about cleaning afterwards. Once you expand this here, you will just, whenever you need to clean the trunk storage cupboard, you just pull this out and you can clean it. So this will go inside of the space by the vehicle trunk. This will just drop inside, and this will be the cover that will just cover it, so you can hide away whatever secret stuff you have in that space. So really cool. I'm gonna go insert it right now, take a video so you can see what it looks like. But it's an awesome little product here, really custom made for that vehicle. And I believe they have one for the new Tesla 2021 and onwards, like the new week model of the Model Y, as well as this one here is for the pre-refresh. You can get the ones that are fully, I think the trunk will have full fabric, and I think that's on a newer refresh model. On the older one, we have the plastic above that space. So yeah, let's check that out. Let's go ahead and install this here. But that is it for all our product review from Jawa. Really awesome company. They make high-end accessory cheaper than what you would find on the Tesla store, and I can't say enough of how much I love the quality and the product that they make at Jawa. So make sure you check out the website here. I'll have a link where to buy it. And let's go ahead and install some of these inside the vehicle and show you what it looks like when it's installed. currently you can see how my car trunk looks like. We're gonna insert those over here in this little secret storage cupboard, and right now mine is such a mess, so let's go ahead and install those silicone storage covers and see what it looks like. So this is on the left side. It just, like I said, just slide right in, and now you fill it up with all your cleaning supplies and all the random stuff that you throw on this side and get an extra storage. Look at that fit, a perfect seamless fit there within that space. And like I said, this is gonna make it like really easy now to clean that space, knowing that it's just a silicone sleeve that you're just gonna pull out whenever you need to clean, and also makes it easy to find stuff that you drop in there.